Good morning, children. Last class we had discussed about chapter number 2, the computer system. Components of computer system we had discussed. Now, then input device. In input device, come to the we had discussed about the keyboard, mouse, light pen, game controller, scanner, microphone, then webcam. Come to the webcam. A webcam can take photographs and videos. These images can be stored in the computer, printed and uploaded on the World Wide Web. Webcam are mainly used for video conferencing, security purpose, creating television programs where peoples from different places participate in discussion. So what is the use of webcam? It is easy to take photographs. It is easy to make a video, and if you want to chat with anyone with the help of this, we are able to face chat, video conference chat with this. Then touchpad has the same function of a mouse. The touchpad sends the position of the touch of the finger on the pad and moves the cursor accordingly. So touchpad is same as the mouse, where you are if you want to open some particular icons with the help of that mouse address given here, so same as here in the touchpad it is given. Then touch screen. A touch screen is a computer display screen that is also an input device. Such screens are sensitive to pressure, and a user interact with the computer by touching pictures or words on the screen. So children, you are knowing about the touch screen. So nowadays all are using a touch screen laptop, touch screen mobile. So this is same as what you are using nowadays. Then barcode reader. You may have been seen a pattern of printed bars on the various products in the market. This pattern is known as barcode. The light sensitive detector in the barcode reader identifies the barcode image. Once the barcode is identified, the bar pattern is converted into a numeric code that can be processed. So student, if you are going a mall or supermarket or mini market, there if you are going for billing side, the billing side that those who a man who is making a bill, that man is having barcode in his hand, and with the help of this barcode, that in every product that cover, barcode is given there, so it converts the barcode into a numeric code, and then it will display the product name, the quantity and the rate display in the computer screen. So this is the use of barcode. OCR, optical character reader. This device allows direct reading of any print character. No special ink is required. The character can be read by an OCR and write in specific font, and the printed matter is scanned with photoelectric device. So OCR means it allow direct reading for printer character. It is not using any that ink required. Then OMR, optical mark reader. This is an input device used to read questionnaires, multiple choice question examination paper. The mark sheet is read by a beam of light. So OMR sheet means if you are giving any entrance exam or any exam you are given, and there only the 4 option is there, multiple choice question is there, and there multiple choice 4 circle is there, any one circle A, B, C, D, any one circle you are coloring, you are making the dark or that particular answer circle. So that sheet, the OMR optical mark reader is used to read this, and it will used to read this mark, this type of question and mark, and then it will show the result. Then MICR, magnetic ink character reader. Bank checks have a number of printed at least bottom written in a specific font using magnetic ink. When these checks are to process, they are put in MICR, which reads the number. So MICR, magnetic ink character reader, means it is used to read the number of checks. Checks, you are knowing that checks, at the bottom side of that checks 10 to 12 number is printed there. That number it is easy to read with the help of this MICR, that numbers. Then come to the output device. Come to the output device. Output device displays the output obtained after the input has been processed by the computer. The most commonly used output device are the monitor, printer, speaker and plotter. So output device means after processed, after calculation, after your instructions data process, that in a monitor or in a output device it shows the result. So first one is monitor. The monitor is an output device which displays information in pictorial form on a screen. It is also referred to as a visual display unit. Then cathode ray tubes is the technology used in older computer monitors. They are bulky and heavy. So the monitor is an output device which display the information in a pictorial on the screen. Then it is also referred as video visual display unit. So cathode ray, earlier we are in the older time we are using the cathode ray tube CRT as a monitor. Then that means you had seen about the old computer and new computer. You are knowing the difference about that old computer the monitor looks very bulky, the backside CTR is very big size. And then nowadays we are using the LCD, and LCD that you had seen about the LCD picture, it is very flat and very easy to handle. So now modern computers are different types of the subtypes such as LCD, liquid crystal display, light emitting diode, LED and plasma monitor. So LCD monitors are flat, occupy little space and give superior quality images. However, they are quite expensive. Plasma monitors are mainly used for very large screens. So these are the different types of monitors. Then come to the printer. The printer is used to give output on paper. This is called the hard copy. The printer can print a black and white or color. There are different types of printer, impact printer and non-impact printer. So what is the use of printer? If you want to take the printout or hard copy of that particular output or particular that content, so it is so printer is help to take the printout and it print in a black and white or in a colored way. So different types of printers are impact and non-impact printers. So impact printers, these printers have a printer head which strikes against an inked ribbon against a continuous paper form. They are slowly, noisy, inexpensive and the good quality of print, then the quality of print is poor. So example of this is dot matrix and decibel computer. So earlier we are using this type of computer, this type of printer. That printer is very slow to give the printout, very noisy also or inexpensive, and the quality of hard copy is very poor. Then come to the non-impact printer. Non-impact printer prints by shooting small droplets of ink at great speed on paper. These printers are faster, noiseless and printing quality is superior. However, they are much more expensive. Example of inkjet and large laser printer. So nowadays we are using a non-impact printer. It is easy to take a printer in a very few seconds, and then it is faster also, noiseless also, and the printing quality is superior also. Then what is inkjet printer? And the example of this non-impact printers are inkjet printer and laser printer. Then come to the inkjet printer. What is inkjet printer? Inkjet printers are economically and commonly used. The higher the DPI means dots per inch of an inkjet printer or laser printer, better quality of printing. So here it depends on the DPI, dots per inch, and the laser printer it's faster and produce high quality prints. They are also much more expensive than the inkjet printer. Then come to the plotter. What is the use of plotter? Plotter draw line using pen. As with a result, they can produce continuous lines where printers can create lines by printing a closely spaced series of dots. With the help of this dot, printers are able to read, but the plotter are your draw lines. Draw lines means if you are making any if you are architecture and making any diagrams, making any diagrams of any means building, any organization that make, so it is easy to take the printout to make the uh, diagram of that particular image. So plotter are used where images such as graphs, charts, map, etc. need to be printed. They are mainly used by engineers, architects, and seismologists. Plotters are basically of two types, drum and flatbed. So drum plotter are used to print place over drum that rotates back and forth to produce vertical motion. This is the type and this is the way how plotter is used. And flatbed plotter means it is printed as stationary, then how pen is moved. So first one is the drum that rotates, and with the help of this rotation it vertically motion it prints. And then in the flatbed plotter it prints with the help of this stationery where the pen is moved around. Then speaker are used as output sound, voice and music from the computer system. So speaker, you are knowing, if you want to display the, if you want to listen the music, then with the help of this, if you are playing a music in computer, so you are able to hear the music with the help of these speakers. Then projectors project the content of the monitor on a large screen so that many people can see it. Projector are used in office, school and home theaters. So a projector means if you want to see that particular video or images in a large view, so we are using a projector. So next class we'll discuss the central processing unit. Thank you.